Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. I am Cadet Lugronio Ronald, and I'm from Group 6. And our topic is all about how to download and install maps of ECDIS on OpenCpn. So, here are my group mates. So, I am Cadet Lugronio Ronald, and my group mates is Gomez Wendell, Grande Jonathan, Larua Richard Bryle, and so first is so for the first time user, we suggest you use the chart downloader tab, which helps to find and download free charts, uh, and is included with the installation of OpenCPN. So 4.2. So if you choose to manually load chart, please pay close attention to the following. So first is know the path to the chart directory. Make note of the charts folder path you selected. Chart files tab, chart downloader tab. Third is chart manual install, and if you choose to manually download chart, be sure uncompress and install them in your chart directory. So chart overview. So OpenCPN itself does not come with charts. So charts are a complex subject. So having accurate and current chart is important for safe navigation. There are a number of resources on this website and others to obtain charts. So, however, the USA provide free NOAA chart and many other countries do as well. So that's all for my topic for today, and God bless and thank you.
So, good morning, sir. My name is Cadet Gandhi, and I'm here to report the continuation report of my group mate, Cadet Logroño, and I am Cadet Gandhi. So, main resource for charts. Chart files tab open CPN does not come with charts. Description of how to install charts. Chart downloader tab. Chart downloader provides an easy way to download and install free NOAA and RNC and ENC charts around the world. It's the easiest way to get started with charts. Download a few charts in your area and use them to learn, then later add as more as needed. Note: free charts are not assured everywhere. Chart sources extensive list of free charts available, mostly covered by chart downloader plugin. Chart format. See why this is a complex subject. Chart manual install. Download and install yourself. NOAA's chart download website. So the high resolution background maps can be obtained through the integrated chart downloader plugin. CGSHHS high resolution background used with watching landfall alarms and weather routing plugins for land detection. But this data is stored in the base map director configuration key in OpenCPN INI as long as it points to contents. Shared supports GSHHS, replacing the content of contents. Shared support GSHHS makes OpenCPN use it. If base map director points somewhere else, it is not going to be used. In case GSHHG data is pointed to a chart folder, it is detected and base map there is changed to point to that location. Base map is always displayed regardless of chart groups. Keep your GSHHG dataset up to date using chart downloader. Please, background map or GSHHS Lores installed used by OpenCPN for the initial rough background map. Crude resolution base map is included in the installation package by default under Mac OS installed in content. Shared support GSHHS subfolder of the application bundle. So, and the lesson is the procedures and OpenCPN installation. So, in OS, so or in iPhones. So, first is the Windows. Next is the Ubuntu PPE. Next is the Linux. Next one is the Flatpak or the Beta. Fedora, Mac OS X, dedicated Marine OS, Orange Pi, Raspberry Pi, RPI2, and release history. That's all for my report, sir.
Okay, so good day, sir, and to everyone. So I am the next reporter, and I am Deck Cadet Larua Richard Balti, and I'm here in front of you to continue our topic report. So, software. So, download your version of OpenCpn here. So first, use a stable official release for actual navigation. The latest stable release is always available at the top of the download page or from SourceForge. Second, beta releases are snapshots of the development process and may contain errors or temporarily be unstable. Showstoppers are normally fixed very quickly, however, this is where the latest features first are seen. So, most of the time of the beta releases are quite stable and the OpenCpn team appreciate it if more experienced users test the releases and report back. Third, the place to report bugs and suggest features is the tracker. To itch the tracker from the OpenCpn web pages, click on the tracker tab at the upper right above the blue bar. The sticky thread tracker or fly spray, how and when to use it, gives some hints. Then the last one, fourth, to see what version you are using, either look in or help about or at the top of your display. A lot of information is also available in the log file. So see below. So, as what you see in this picture is, here are the menu bar, the help, the GPS and chart orientation, the toolbar, the ownership, the plugins, the MOB, the chart buttons, then also the status bars. So next, location of important files, log, and config files. So first, it is important to know the location of the log file and the configuration file opencpn.conf or Linux or opencpn.ini Windows on your computer. If you ask questions on the forum, there is a fair chance that you will be asked about the content in these files. Once you get familiar with OpenCpn, have a look at the files. Second, throughout this documentation, there will be many references to the configuration file, as it often is possible to change the default settings. This is an advanced subject. Once you are familiar with OpenCpn, all editing in the config file must be done with a text editor such as Notepad in Windows or Notepad+. Next, third, the configuration file is when all data that needs to be persistent between sessions are stored. The log file keeps tab of what's going on in the current session. Then the last one, fourth, to find out the location of the files, go to the toolbar, click on About OpenCpn. The button looks like a blue book with a question mark on the cover. So look at the bottom of the About tab highlighted below. Then the illustration below is from a Windows XP. A quick way to view the log file is to copy the full file path and then paste this into the address field in a web of the browser. Okay, so that would be all, and thank you and have a nice day.
So good everyone. By the way, I'm Garrett Gomez. So this is my continuation of the report. So for quick copying of the OpenCpn, ini and log file, use the two copy buttons. So this is useful for publishing in the forum if asked to do so. So please use the forum code button before pasting, and this guarantees an exact copy. Second, on Linux, the OpenCpn.log is your home directory. Third, the OpenCpn is a hidden directory called OpenCpn, also in your home directory. So for a quick way to view the files, you can try these commands. So gdit echo at home /opencpn.log. Second is dollar gedit echo and home opencpn.conf. Third, of course, you can swap gedit for favorite editor. So on Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 2000, XP, and Vista, the two files are more difficult to find, so use the about dialog as described above. So on many Windows, install the folder containing the log file will also be hidden. So you need to change your system folder option to show it. For example, the program data folder is by default hidden in Windows 7. So first, you can get to it. To access it, you need to unhide it by doing the following. So first, go to control. So the first is go to control panel folder option. Second, switch to view tab. Third, select show hidden files, folders, and drivers. Fourth, unselect hide extension for no files types to get this state. So now you will be able to find your log file on Mac OS. The log file OpenCpn is user username, library logs, and the OpenCpn in the user name library preference OpenCpn.directory. So that's all guys, thank you.